In this activity, we're going to look at 4-10, creating VHD disk. VHD stands for Virtual Hard Disk. Creating a VHDs is a Windows 7 is created as a single file on an attached physical disk drive. All versions of Windows 7 support the ability to create a VHD. VHD can be created using the disk management snap-in or the diskpart command line utility. So we're gonna go through this video step by step on how to create a VHD disk. So we'll get started here. First thing that you're gonna do, be logged on here, and then go down to the start menu, and we'll go to the computer. Click on computer, and we're going to double click on the local disk hard drive C, and here we're going to create a new folder right here, and we're going to call this VHD storage. Okay. Now that's created, you can now go to the start menu again and right click onto computer, and we're going to manager. Okay, so now we're going to look to the left of the pan here, and we're going to click on disk management here. For items below disk management, this will focus on the computer's management utilities on the storage tool. So we're going to right click on disk management and open the side menu, and we're going to create a VHD. Go to here, in the VHD menu, go here, and we're going to type in, let's see, we're going to type in version 1 app files and click save. Let's see if we can do that here. Let's pause this video. I want to make sure we get this right. Okay, so what we're going to do is go to the browse, and here, and we're going to actually look for the file we just created, disk C. Double click, and in here we're going to save. We're going to type in version 1 app files, and we're going to save. Okay, virtual hard size, we want to put this at 50. Okay, and then we're going to look at just leaving the size down to an MB. Yep, we'll leave it at MB. Alright, step-by-step process. Okay, and then we're going to select the this one, dynamically expanding, blah blah, 15, virtual size MB, and then we're going to push OK. Let that load, and then we'll go to the next thing. It's going to be a step-by-step video this time. So where we are now in the computer management is it popped up right here showing as unknown. It has 50 MB and not initialized. So what the next thing we're going to do is we're going to initialize it, and the way we're going to do that, we're going to right click over here and initialize disk. Okay, and click OK. GP, yep. Okay, showing that it's a basic 49 MB and it's online. Okay, that's good. I'll go to right here, under here, and go new simple volume. Okay, and we're just going to go through this. Next. Here, let's see. Volume, but change the default volume label to new volume to VHD. There we go. Okay, we'll look at this. Okay, we're going to let that load. Okay. Alright, did a little bit of that. Okay, now it says new volume G, 47 megs, NTFS, healthy, primary. Okay, looks good. Alright, switch to Window Explorer, computer, browse window, and browse to storage, not the size. Okay. Try this again, go to start. VH. There we go.
Open an already installed software, search the web software open.
Yep. Don't want to do that. Didn't want to do that. Here we are. New volume G right here. Here browse window, right click the drive. Group properties. So what we did is we're going to open up this new drive we created, go to properties, and we are going to space. We're going to look at the space capacity on here, showing 46.9 megabytes on this drive G that we created. So we do have space. Here's the free space, use space. Since it's new, we didn't really use a lot of space. But this is how much space we actually got, 35.2 megabytes. That's pretty good. And then, I mean, really the reason we created this, I mean, we can manage it, and we can use it for storage and save stuff onto this drive. It's the same thing as creating a local disk C. That's a default disk that comes onto each computer, and we just created a secondary right here, a G. So that's pretty much all I have for you. Thanks for watching. I'm just going to close these windows and end the video.